Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today we're making one of my go-to favourite chicken dinners. This is a Cajun spiced chicken breast with a beautiful pasta. So simple, so delicious. Let's do it. Okay guys, I'm just going to place this beautiful chicken breast on my board. Get straight on there, and we're just going to slice this up a little bit. Okay, so now that we've kind of sliced into it a little bit, just to butterfly it, I'm just going to go ahead and top this with some plastic wrap. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a bash. There you have it. So the chicken breast is one level of thickness throughout the whole piece, so ½ an inch the whole way through, which means it's going to be cooked perfectly evenly, juicy and succulent. And we're just going to season this beautiful chicken breast with some Cajun spice. Okay, I've got my pan on a low to medium heat, nothing too aggressive, and we're just going to go straight in with our beautiful seasoned chicken breast. And there you go. See that? Hear that sizzle? That's about as aggressive as you want it. Nothing too aggressive at this stage. And we're just going to leave this for 3.5 minutes per side, just to do its thing. Okay, I've got some boiling water, which we're going to go in with some salt. So go in heavy with your salt, a drizzle of olive oil, go straight in with your pasta. Use your pasta to stir the water up, and then go straight in. Pasta's down. That gives us about 4 or 5 minutes to work on our chicken and make our sauce. Right guys, this looks outstanding. The aroma is amazing. Just have a look at the size of the chicken, guys, and you'll see that it's cooking, and you can see where it's cooked up to. So when it goes just above the center line, you know the center of the chicken is pretty much cooked and it's ready to be flipped. Beautiful. Look at that. Outstanding. That's exactly what you want. A nice char. None of those spices are burnt. And another 3.5 minutes on this side as well, and we're good. Okay guys, our chicken breast is ready. This looks beautiful. I know this is going to be juicy, tender and succulent. This has to rest for about 3-4 minutes. I can't stress enough how important that is. It hasn't finished cooking yet. Let it rest, let those juices relax, and let it continue to cook. Right, let's move on to our pasta. Guys, we're going to go ahead and do our simple pasta sauce. Incredibly simple. You're just going to dice really thin slithers. Okay, our pan is at a medium temperature, and we're just going to drizzle a good amount of beautiful olive oil, extra virgin. And while it's still on a medium simmer, we don't want to burn this garlic. And we're going to go in with a pinch of chili flakes, just for a little bit of heat. Oh, the aroma just of garlic and chili just hits you. And while that's just doing its thing, I'm going to go ahead and chop my basil. Guys, at this stage, just before I add my pasta, I'm going to go in with a knob of butter. Okay guys, we're going to go straight in with our pasta. Right, brilliant. This chicken has been sitting for about 3-4 minutes. It's cooled down slightly, it's rested, and we're just going to go with nice thin strips today. Okay guys, let's plate up. Right guys, there you have it. This is my perfect Cajun spiced chicken breast with pasta. Simple midweek meal, packed with flavor, delicious. Right guys, time for the taste test. This looks outstanding. I can't wait to get stuck in. This is the perfect, easy, simple midweek chicken dinner. Guys, before I get stuck in, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and give us some comments in the comment section below. All that stuff really helps us, so show us some love. Anyway, enough talking, let's get stuck in. Right guys, there you have it, the perfect midweek chicken dinner meal. So simple, so quick, so fast. When you're in a hurry, when you're in a rush, whip up something like this. So simple. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sunny's effing delicious.